This is the water fountain I created a few years ago. It's supposedly a decorative fountain at the corner of a house. I created it from hollow blocks and the recycled granite from our previous construction. It is about 3 feet deep and it has recirculating water. Before we put there some decorative fishes, but then we decided why not put some tilapia fish. So we put some, about 30 fingerlings I think, and it grows really big. You can see some are swimming down there. There are about hundreds I think. Since our tilapia fish are camera shy, I get one here and I put it up there at the earthen vessel so you can see how big they are now. Now weighs I think more or less about 250 grams each. Okay, there's another one here swimming around, but some are quite shy. Again, this is our multi-purpose water fountain, a fish tank, and at the same time an aquaponic system. I added this pipe up there and also down here on top of the pond. And we planted some vegetable. It may not be at its best, but what I'm trying to say, it does work. And it serves its purpose. Not only it decorates, it also helps us with the production of some fish, especially tilapia fish, and also some vegetable that we can also use. And on the upper part, I try to plant strawberry, but the location is not very good because this is the northern part of our house and it receives just a very little sunlight. Maybe we will experiment with some other plants that doesn't need a full sun. I am here near the multi-purpose fountain, fish tank, and aquaponic system, enjoying the very calming sound of the water cascading down from the aquaponic system to the pipe and then to the basin, and it will drop to the plant, and while enjoying a cup of hot coffee. And now we will harvest our vegetable. And we will plant a new one later. Here are new ones. Okay, here is our vegetable.